Hello Atlas is an AI e-commerce automation tool that builds a high-converting Shopify store in under 2 minutes. You simply drop a product link and Atlas generates a complete store, including theme, product descriptions, optimized images, and even upsell offers. It's designed not just for speed, but also for conversion. The platform includes a premium performance-focused Shopify theme, built-in upsell, and bundle tools, cart optimization features right out of the box. This means you're getting a store geared towards maximizing order value from day one. It also offers AI-generated product images and copy, making it easy to brand your products without hiring designers and/or writers. Pricing starts at around $29 a month, with plans that vary based on how many stores and AI credits that you need. You get 50 on the starter. At the Pro, which is 49, you get 150, and with Enterprise, which is for bigger businesses, you get 450. The main limitation is that it's a paid service from the start, so it's better suited for sellers who are serious about launching and ready to invest. But for those who want both automation and control over branding, it delivers a strong balance between hands-off setup and customization. Overall, Hello Atlas AI is best for sellers who want to launch fast but still tailor their store for branding, storytelling, and conversions from the very beginning.